In the wake of its earlier communication to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Voice of the People Party on Tuesday stepped up its opposition to the proposed Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill 2026 by submitting another memorandum to Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The memorandum was submitted by a VPP delegation led by Party President Ardent Miller Basamoit and was handed over through Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijaya Shankar. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, Basamoit said the VPP has urged the union government to put the proposed bill on hold and initiate a wider consultation with various stakeholders before moving ahead with the legislation. Flagging concerns over certain provisions of the proposed bill, the VPP president particularly pointed to the provision relating to the creation of a designated authority empowered to take over and manage assets created through foreign contributions. Basamoit maintained that the provision needs to be examined and deliberated upon in detail, stating that adequate consultations are necessary to ensure that the proposed mechanism does not adversely impact institutions and assets established through foreign funding. The VPP further reiterated its stand that the proposed amendments should not be pushed through without broader stakeholder consultation and a thorough assessment of their possible implications.
In fact, today we had a meeting with the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya in connection with the reminder letter as a follow-up action written by the party to the Prime Minister, in which now we write a letter to the Union Home Minister through the Governor of Meghalaya, where we have expressed our concern as far as the amendment of this Fcra is concerned. We have raised some issues, expressing the concerns of the people and the minority community here in our state, where the Honorable Governor has assured us that he will send this letter to the Union Home Minister so that it will be taken up. It's a normal practice, of any government. When they feel that any important matter crops up, they would choose to go for a most important matter first. And I'm sure that the government of India must also have had a feeling that most of the Christian organization and most of the political parties in India feel that this particular amendment should be deferred and go for a wider consultation, so that some apprehensions that are there in the minds of the people can be addressed.